Spring Hill, a quintessential small town located just 35 miles south of Nashville, Tennessee, offers the perfect blend of beautiful rural scenery and big city amenities. Nicely located in both Maury and Williamson Counties, Spring Hill is just minutes from Franklin and Columbia, and just a short drive from larger cities like Nashville and Murfreesboro. With a drive down Main Street, you'll pass rolling landscapes with former plantation homes and farmland, as well as conveniently located stores, restaurants, and attractions that are both locally owned and nationally known. Spring Hill has several options for those seeking some outdoor recreation, including a playground and basketball courts at McLemore Park, a splash pad for hot summer days at Port Royal Park, or for skating, a great skate park at Walnut Street Park. Harvey Park hosts a twice-weekly farmers market during the summer. There's always something going on in Spring Hill. From vintage baseball games, concerts, and festivals at Ripa Villa, to community events such as the annual Memorial Day celebration and Christmas parade. If you're seeking a town with modern amenities and conveniences, but without the hustle and bustle of a big city, small town Spring Hill might be the place for you.